Happy Saturday. Good morning, y'all. So, anytime I come across anything that helps with mental health, I try to share it with the world, right? So, I'm a person, I'm in recovery. I had suffered from addiction before. I've been in recovery for 5 years. I suffer with mental health, anxiety, depression, all of that. I'm going through menopause, so my mood is up and down. But anyway, I kept hearing everybody talking about ashwagandha. So I tried it. First I got the ashwagandha. Hold on, let me show y'all. If I still got the bottle. Okay, first I tried this. This is ashwagandha, the drops. They did okay too, but I ran out of these and I just didn't go back to the store and get none. So I hear everybody talking about the goalies. So I went to where I get these from? Target. I got them from Target. And I've been taking them for 3 days. And when I tell you, I can tell a difference. I can tell a difference already. The goal is good. Like, they really have been helping me, y'all. I couldn't believe it. Like, normally when I wake up in the morning, my anxiety is like the worst. Like, I just can't get it together. My mind is everywhere, racing and everything. But as soon as I wake up, it said take only 2 twice a day, but I've been taking 3 twice. I take 3 twice a day. In the morning when I wake up, and then like mid-afternoon. Oh, well, last night I took them at bedtime, and I slept good. So they help you with sleep, they help you with anxiety. And yeah, let me show you how they look. And they're not bad tasting. It's just a little chewy gummy. It tastes like, I don't know, like some grape in it maybe. But they're not. It just tastes like a gummy, like a chewy gummy bear or something. But yeah, y'all, go get y'all some goalies. I think I paid, this was like 50, how much was it? Like 50, no, $19, I think, for 60 gummies coming here. And it says it's for relax, restore, unwind. They're gluten-free, non-GMO, plant-based, vegan. And yeah, the name of them are Goalies Ashwagandha Gummies. Go get y'all some. If y'all suffering with like mental health problems, go get some. Go get you some. I hope that helps somebody, okay? All right, y'all bye. Have a good day.